This hair has never been processed in any kind of acid, so it's with all the cuticles. That's why you see this hair is so much shining. Also with this cuticle, you can use it for a very long time and you can wear it for many years. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce Hair. Many people love 613 and blonde hair, but when they try to buy blonde 613 hair in the market, they always experience the quality issue of the hair. Either the hair is shedding, the hair cannot take the color well, and the hair is dry, it's not long-lasting, it cannot wear for a long time. That's because most of 613 blonde hair are actually bleached from the low quality hair in the market and mixed donor hairs. So you will see the hair is actually not very uniform in the colors, like there are some black strand and other color strand in the hair. Also the hair cannot take the color well. Today I will introduce you our the 613 blonde hair actually bleached from our raw virgin Chinese single donor hair. It's caught the ponytail and then bleached. Because this hair is bleached from the single donor hair, so you can see all the hair colors are all very uniform. There isn't any mixed color or any other colors in the hair. It's all purely blonde, very beautiful, and it gives you a very good luster in all type of lighting. So no matter on a good light or low light, you will see this hair respond with a very beautiful shining, and this shining is from its cuticle and it lasts for a long time and forever. This hair we're already selling very well in the market and getting a very good feedback, and people are coloring this hair, they are wearing this hair, and they give a good feedback that this is the best blonde 613 they are getting ever. We didn't use any acid to process that, so this hair still have a good cuticles and it can give you a very good long-lasting period. If you're looking for a top quality and best 613 hair which can give you a very good durability and also very good on the response of coloring, make sure take this 613 blonde hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you're looking for a best quality hair, no matter natural color or this 613 color, make sure check on our website www.joycehair.com, place your order. Thanks again and have a great day.